Hello guys and welcome back to unboxmuse. Long time no see, but we are here. My name is Patrick Ago and this is my...
Hello guys.
Can you show us...
Yeah. Hi guys.
Yes, hello.
Happy now?
Can you explain us what happened?
What happened? It's so simple. You know, I went to Martin Garrix event. So amazing. Yeah, and you know, a lot of ladies, beautiful ladies talking with this girl, this girl.
Really?
You know what I mean when you talk about girls, you know.
Of course, yeah.
No, you don't. But anyway, and one big dude tried to fight with me.
Oh.
But you know, well, he kicked my ass. But anyway, so I had to do a surgery for my nose.
Really? You have proof?
Yes. Watch this video. See, beautiful party, isn't it?
Amazing, but I know it's not the truth. I know I have proof.
Do you have proof?
Of course, like this, and this, and this.
Wait, alright, I did it. Well, happy now?
Of course.
Alright, you can do your intro.
Thank you so much. Before we tell you about the unboxmuse.com, let's begin with this two unboxing. It's about the leather bracelet USB for charging your phone. Amazing. And the USB to access your laptop's desktop with the fingerprint. I think you should relax and go.
You want me to leave?
Yeah.
You know, you can tell me to leave. You just need to do it alone. Don't be so rude.
It's for your health.
Hey,
What?
Oh, this?
Yeah?
You mean this? This is a Coca-Cola bottle you drink? It's... Well,
just go.
No.
Just go. If you haven't subscribed yet, just subscribe yet now, because next week on Monday, the next Monday, there is a giveaway, a product that I enjoyed using it because I had two of them to test it and it's amazing. A giveaway, stay tuned. So subscribe if you haven't. Comes with a plastic simple bag. So first you have the leather, beautiful leather quality, black, and here the metallic black parts for the USB, normal USB and 3.0 I think it is, and the USB Type-C on the other side. So this is from the outside when you put it on your wrist. Then you open it, side Type-C and the USB. So why I bring you this product to you? It's so nice because sometimes you don't want to have like a long cable, charger cable, and you have like a power bank. So what you have to do is simply put it on your wrist. Alright, so here you have it. You put it on your wrist. It fits, it's beautiful, it's fashion. You can go enjoy, you can drive, you can do whatever you want, and now your phone needs to be charged. You take your phone, you take it out. You see it's very fast, it's amazing. You put it in your power bank and then you charge your phone. Voila. This is the Lockey brand fingerprint USB dongle. If you don't want to upgrade, you don't have the budget to upgrade to a new laptop, and not all the laptops have fingerprint access to your laptop, or maybe you have a desktop but you want to be more secure with a fingerprint and it's so fast. So let's begin with the shape. It's a little small USB, normal USB, and you have this part, small part. This has the fast fingerprint identification with the speed of 0.15 seconds, and we will test it with my laptop. I think, and it works only with Windows, so you don't have to buy it if you have a MacBook Pro. or any Apple products. So you can see it in my palm of my hand, really tiny, small here, and you have the finger sensor right here. Alright, first what you can do is to download the software and the driver of the Lockey. I will put for you the link in the description. But you have a second option, which I will show you now. You can open the settings in Windows 10. First, I will put right here. And you can see it's really small, tiny. So now go back to Windows Hello Fingerprint. Click on Setup. Welcome to Windows Hello. Let's skip it. Get started. So it asks if you have a Windows password, you just enter it. And then touch the fingerprint and it recognizes it. And the light, the green light, I don't know if you can see it right here. And then touch the fingerprint sensor. Now I put it in the left side, you can put it on the right side, you can put any finger you want. So let's start with this one. Lift and touch again. And it has a 360 sensor. Alright, you have to put and lift. Try to put all the way, like as you can use it, you put it and remove it. Try to do it as you are usually using your laptop so you don't get bothered. So all set. Use your fingerprint the next time you want to unlock your device. You wanna try? Well, let's try it. Close. So guys, while I'm restarting it, I wanna turn the laptop like this. Excuse me, flower. Alright, so wait for it till it restarts. So normally if I put my finger that I saved on Windows, it should unlock Windows in 0.15 seconds. So here is the big test. Perfectly, like it's really fast, like you saw it. So guys, now you have to put down in the comment which one is your favorite, the leather fashion USB charger or the Lockey fingerprint access very fast to your laptop or desktop. Thank you so much for watching.
Stop, monsieur.
What?
You're doing the ending without winning?
Yeah, why? Do you have something to say?
Of course I have something to say. It's about our website. www.unboxmuse.com. So nice place. It's called the Tech Catchers. So for you, we catch the best deal online about technology and we put it all in one place. All you have to do is to find the one that you want. You click on it, and of course you have all the information displayed on this picture. You click on it, you go to the website, you can buy it even in one click on the website, and it's amazing, you enjoy it. And it's all in one place.
Oh, true. Thank you, Twinny. That was quite amazing. So guys, thank you so much for watching this episode, and if you like which one, you just comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Next week a giveaway. Thank you. Peace.